He belongs to the family of divine Mahadev. He is the son of Lord Shiva, who is the Hindu god of destruction, and son of goddess Parvati. He is the god of knowledge and arts. He is the only one god who rides a mouse in this universe. Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss few great and unknown facts about Lord Ganesha. The body color of Lord Ganesha is red and green. Both these colors are considered for the symbols of peace and prosperity. We all know that the Mahabharata was written by a great sage named Vyasa, who is the grandfather of Kauravas and Pandavas. One day, during the meditation of sage Vyasa, the Lord of creation, who is Brahma, appeared before him to write the story of Mahabharata. But Vyasa was not sure that he could write that because the story was too long and complex. So Brahma asked him to seek the help of Lord Ganesha because he is the only one in this universe who had a great wisdom. And finally, the great epic Mahabharata was written by Lord Ganesha as sage Vedvyasa narrated it. According to so many Puranas, Lord Ganesha had two wives named Riddhi and Siddhi, and also he had two sons, Subha and Labha. Now, the currency which you are seeing is 20,000 rupiah note of country Indonesia. And then if you observe here clearly, you can identify the image of Lord Ganesha. Now, a small doubt may raise in your minds. Though Indonesia is a country in the world that had a huge population of Muslim religion, but why did they print the image of Lord Ganesha on their currency, who is the god of Hindu? The answer for this was explained by the finance minister of Indonesia at the period of 1997. He said that Lord Ganesha could bring good luck and fortune to their economic system. Ganapati Bappa Maurya. You might have heard this chant for several times, but did you know why do we say it and how this famous and popular chant was formed? So let us know. In Ganapati Bappa Maurya, the word Ganapati is derived from two words, Gana, which means group, and Pati means ruler. Hence, the meaning of Ganapati is ruler of many. Now, the second word Bappa means father or the Lord. And about Maurya, there is a small story. In 14th century, there was a great devote of Lord Ganesh, who is Maurya Gosavi. Lord Ganesha felt happy with Maurya's devotion and appeared in his dreams and granted him a boon. But Maurya refused it and asked that his name be forever connected with Lord Ganesha himself. This can be said to indicate the inseparable bond between a god and his devote. So Lord Ganesha declared that every time his name Ganapati is chanted and is followed by Maurya. Many people say Lord Ganesha as Ganapati, but in Tamil language, Ganapati is known as Pillai or Pillayar, whereas in Burmese as Mahapinne, in Thai as Fra Fikanet, and in Sri Lanka as Ganga Deviyo. Friends, did you anytime notice that one of the tusks of Lord Ganesha is broken? Once upon a time, Parshuram, who is one of the avatars of Lord Vishnu, came to Kailash mountain to meet with Shiva. But at that time, the Lord Shiva was in his deep meditations and Lord Ganesha was guarding that place. He did not allow Parshuram to meet his father. So Parshuram got angry and attacked Ganesha with a weapon which was given to him by Lord Shiva only. Ganesha took the attack on one of his tusks in respect to his father's weapon. Since that, Lord Ganesha is called Ekdant, which means the one who had only one tooth. So friends, these are few facts of Lord Ganesha, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you learned something new from this video, then drop a like, share this video with your friends and leave a comment. To know more and more facts like these in future, then subscribe to this ISMA Student channel by activating the notification bell. Thank you for watching.